Wow, what a beautiful morning! The sun is shining bright. It's time to wake up the farm. I have so much work to do today. Let's go, let's go! Good morning, friends. Welcome back to Coco Farm. First, I need my trusty red tractor. Hop on in. Here we go. Let's check on my best friend, Barnaby the goat. I can see him. He looks very excited today. Good morning, Barnaby. Are you hungry? Eat up, little buddy. You need to grow big and strong. Wait a minute. What happened to the wooden gate? Oh no! The gate is completely broken! Barnaby, don't you dare run outside. Stay here.
Oh no! Barnaby! Come back right now!
This is terrible. The corn is too tall. How will I find him? Barnaby! Barnaby! Where are you hiding? This field is like a giant maze. I can't see anything. Wait! I have an idea! I know what Barnaby loves the most!
A juicy, sweet red apple. This will bring him out!
Barnaby! Look what I have! Yummy, yummy apple! Aha! I see your ears! Come out, silly goat! Ba, ba. That's it. Come here. You are safe now. Don't ever run away like that again. You scared me. Huh? What is that giant thing you were hiding behind? Oh my goodness! It's a giant egg! Where did this come from? It's so warm, and it's moving. There's something inside.
I need to pull it out. It's too heavy. Ouch. Okay, I definitely need some help to move this. I better call Bear Mechanic. He has a big crane truck. Hello?
Bear Mechanic speaking. Bear!
Bring your truck to the cornfield, fast! Is your tractor broken again?
No!
I found a giant egg!
A giant egg?
Hold on! I'm on my way right now!
Don't worry, little egg. We will take you to a safe place. Look! It's starting to crack.
Here comes Bear Mechanic!
I'm here!
Wow, look at the size of that egg.
I've never seen an egg like this on Coco Farm. Stand back! I will lift it with the crane.
Careful, Bear. Don't drop it. It's very fragile.
Perfect! It's safe and secure on the hay.
Let's take it inside the barn where it's nice and warm. Put it right here, next to the heater. There we go, nice and cozy.
Whoa! Stand back, guys! It's hatching right now!
Oh my goodness! What is it?
Roar, squeak. Bah. I can't believe it! It's a real baby dinosaur! Look at him go! He's so tiny and cute!
Hello there, little fella. Welcome to the world.
Apples are for eating. Blankets are for sleeping. Silly dinosaur.
All right, team. The sun is still out. We have farm work to do. Let's go check the tomato plants. Come along, Dino. Left, right, the Coco Farm parade. Oh no! The tomato plants look so sad and dry.
They are very thirsty. I need to water them right now. What's going on? Why is the water pump not working? It's completely blocked. There's no water for the tomatoes.
I don't know how to fix this. The plants will die.
Dino, stop. That's not food. Whoa! You fixed it! You are super strong, Dino! Look!
The plants are drinking the water. They are happy again. And I got a shower too. It's so cold. Baba! Baba!
You saved the harvest, Dino! You are the best helper ever!
Wow! Look at the size of those tomatoes! They are huge! These are perfect! We need to harvest them right away!
Ba. Ba.
Great teamwork, guys! Keep them coming!
1, 2, 3. Whew, that was hard work. Now we need to take them to the market. Everybody hop on the trailer. Next stop, the farm market. Hold on tight. It's gonna be a bumpy ride. The friends set off to the market by the river.
Oh no! The river bridge is broken! We can't cross it! The water is too fast. We can't drive the tractor through this. Look! It's Sheriff Max! Hello there, farmer! The storm broke the bridge last night. Sheriff, we need to get these tomatoes to the market! What do we do?
If you can put those heavy logs over the gap, I can nail them down. They are way too heavy for me. I need super strength. Squeak! Roar! Do you think you can lift this, little dino? Wow! You are the strongest dinosaur in the world!
That's it! Bring it right over here.
Perfect fit! Great job, Dino! All secure! The bridge is safe to cross.
We did it! Let's get the tractor across.
Nice and easy. Almost there.
Thank you, Sheriff Max. You saved our market day. What is that big shadow? Is it a cloud?
It wasn't a cloud. It was a magnificent hot air balloon.
Wow! I've never seen anything so beautiful.
Hello down there! I am Pilot Penny. I travel the world.
Welcome to Coco Farm, Penny. We are selling our fresh tomatoes.
Those tomatoes look delicious. Can I trade you a balloon ride for some?
A balloon ride? Oh, yes, please. That sounds amazing. Here you go. The freshest tomatoes in the whole valley. Come on, team. We are going on an adventure in the sky. Hold on tight, everyone. Up, up, and away. We are flying. We are actually flying. Goodbye, Sheriff. See you later. Look how tiny everything looks from up here. The farm is so pretty. Roa? Silly dino. You can't eat a cloud. It's just made of water vapor. Baba! Wow! Wow! Look at the sunset! It's getting late, friends. We should head back to the ground.
What a perfect day! This was the best adventure ever!
Safe landing. Thank you for the tomatoes, farmer.
Thank you for the ride, Penny. Come back anytime.
And so, Pilot Penny flew off to her next big adventure.
Oh boy! Flying makes me very hungry!
Squeak! All right. Let's go inside and make a big dinner. making my special vegetable soup for everyone. Almost ready. It smells delicious.
Here you go. Careful, it's very hot.
Whew. Yummy! This is exactly what we needed.
Oh my. I am getting very sleepy. Time for bed, little ones. We have a lot of farming to do tomorrow.
Here is your bed, Barnaby. And this one is for you, Dino.
Good night, Barnaby. Sweet dreams. What an amazing day we had!
And so, after a long day of hard work, adventure, and making new friends,
Everyone on Coco Farm went to sleep.
More.
Tomatoes. Please.
tomorrow will bring brand new adventures.
Tomorrow will bring brand new adventures.
But for now, it's time to rest. But for now, it's time to rest. But for now, it's time to rest. Thank you for visiting Coco Farm today.
See you next time, friends.
Goodbye. Bye-bye.